So now we created a field. While creating a field, we are getting an option to select a page layouts. So prior to that, you need to check like whatever the field you are creating, for which profiles this field should be visible. So for that, what you can do is you can go to page layouts. So in the page layouts, you'll be having page layout assignment option. So if you click on this page layout assignment option, you'll see you can check for which profile which page layout is assigned. Let's suppose whatever the field I am creating, I want to make it available for custom sales profile. It means I need to check. Sorry, I opened that profile. I don't want to open that profile. So for the custom sales profile, I need to check which profile is assigned. So for them, account sales layout is assigned. So at the time, what I can do is while creating a field in a page layout, at the last will we get page layout options, right? You can tick this account sales layout so that whatever the field you are creating, that should be available for this people only, the sales people only.
Only for the
Or
sales profile.
in this page layout only, that field will be reflected. In the remaining page layouts, it won't be create any impact.
Okay.
How to check which profile is assigned to sorry, which page layout is assigned to each and every profile? You can go to page layouts. The page layouts will be having page layout assignment. From here, you can check for which people which page layout is assigned.
Yeah.
Okay, so far what we did, we created a custom field and we added that. So now, and the next what we saw is, let's suppose we are populating default value for account record whenever we are creating an account. So default value means in the test description, company name should populate. Like that, we
Yes.
populated org name. So if you want to see that, what you can do is you can go to accounts, give a minute. So we can give any name for this. So let's suppose I'll give name like Jacob Test. By default, the company name will populate. Give a minute, I'll be back. Now, now you can observe in a details page. Okay. So now if you go to details, by default, company name will populate at the bottom. So you can see test description by
Yeah.
default, it is populating. So while editing
Yes.
it won't work. While creating it only, by default, it will populate this description. Okay. So remember this thing.
Okay.
Okay. So how default values populates, you know now. Now the next thing is what we'll do is we'll see how to create a database table completely, how to create an object. So
Okay.
if you want to create an object, we need to go to object manager. While going to object manager, here we'll see the option like schema builder. Schema builder is a place which is used to see how each and every object are related. So let's suppose you are having some project. On that project, you might use some objects. If you want to check those objects relationships, we need to go with the schema builder. Okay. So now I'm clicking on schema builder. We'll see how it will be. So you can see schema builder, it will represent a relationships in a graphical format.
Okay.
So you can see by default here it is selecting all the fields. So now what I'll do is I'll clear all. So let's suppose in my project, I might use only few objects. We won't use all the objects, right? Every time. So now let's suppose I am having a project. On that project, I want to take help of account. The next, I want to take cases. And the next, I want to take contact object. Let's suppose in my object, these things only required. Let us assume. And I want to add up another object, opportunity. So I'm selecting these three objects. Okay. So now, once you select those objects will be available in this page. You can see how these are available.
Yeah.
Okay. you can see relationship between those objects. So now you
Okay.
can keep
So,
these objects side by side
yeah.
so that you can see how these objects are related to each other. Now I will select this, take it bit up. This also I will keep it a bit up. So if I keep all these things side by side, oh, so what I'll do is I'll keep it all in a same closer to each other so that we can able to
Yeah.
see each and everything closely.
Okay.
So yes, where is another one? Here, right? I'll take it this side. Now I'll select this one. So we can see all the objects. Okay. So if we increase the size, we can see how these are related. So you can see this is account object. So account object is having, so here you can see relationship colors. Okay.
Yeah.
So in each and every objects, you can see fee fields with a red color, the database table. It means that field
Mm.
is a required field.
Yeah.
Field is a required field. You can increase the size by clicking this. Okay. So now if you take account database table, red color means self relationship, self lookup. It means this object is related with this object only, parent account. So account to
Yeah.
account will be having lookup with the same object. If you have a lookup relationship, that kind of relationship said as self relationship, self lookup relationship. And you can see from account, so single line, and here you can see three dotted lines. It means it is having lookup relationship from case to account. It means under one account will be have multiple cases. So in
Okay.
a real time, how you need to understand is case means a support ticket which is raised by a customer. So
Okay.
that ticket will be solved by some company, right?
Yeah.
So let's suppose you are working with some XYZ company, this XYZ company having an account. So that company is supporting some other company. So whenever some people, whoever the end user using the system, they will raise a complaint. That complaint is nothing but case in a Salesforce terms. So that case will be comes under the specific company. Company means account here.
Okay.
So one account will have multiple cases. So coming to the account to opportunity also, you can see same relationship. Account to opportunity also will be having lookup relationship.
There is no color differencing, right? Like a blue color and some white color line.
Lookup relationship will be representing like this blue line.
Okay.
Master data
There is one.
relationship means this orange color line. So this
Okay.
pink
There
one.
is one more color, right? You can see from contact to case. There is a one white color line. Big.
Ha ha ha. So
Is that is also a lookup relation?
lookup relationship, case to contact. Case
Okay.
it is also lookup relationship.
Okay.
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 So you can see. So with this, what we can do is we can see the relationship between different objects, how they are related. You can see if I'm selecting this object, it is making it as a highlight. So if I select this, you can see this relationship is making as a highlight. It means, so
Mm.
whenever you select some object schema, it will display with how many objects it is related and in a which fashion it is related.
Mm.
So account is
Yes.
it is like a organization company. Under company will be having different features. So in a Salesforce perspective, contact is nothing but employee for the company. Opportunity is nothing but the customers which are showing interest on their product. Cases are nothing but problems which are raised by end users. So all are aligned with the account only, isn't it?
Okay.
So you
Yeah.
can see with the account, all these objects having lookup relationship.
Okay.
Similarly, like if you want to debug the relationships or if you want to understand the relationships, you can go to schema builder and you can do it. Whereas Here you'll be having another thing also, like you can select any field. If it is a custom field, you can edit that field as well from here. So in a database table, you can see hide object or canvas, actions below open the new bar, view object, view page layout. Like that, we can navigate to page layout and we can navigate to object as well from this page itself.
Okay.
Okay, it's about schema builder. Understood what is schema builder and how to use it to check the
Yes,
related
yes.
module. I'll
Yeah.
check the related module on this and I'll forward you that thing as well. No worries on that. Okay, so today I'm stopping here. So as it is a
Yeah.
small portion, tomorrow we'll continue with creating a custom object.
Okay, sure.
So try to practice this thing, but tomorrow I'll give you trailer module on this by combining the entire stuff, home and object
Okay, okay.
coming to complete by after completing object manager completely. I'll give you trailer module on this. Okay.
Okay, okay, sure.
Okay then. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.
Yeah. Thank you, Akil. Bye.